Yo, what's up, investors? Welcome to another episode of KJ the Investor. Without further ado, I'm your host, KJ. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, on this video, I want to go ahead and let you guys know it's not over. It's far from over. As a matter of fact, we're just getting started. Yeah, the market's down today. Look at it. Look at my portfolio right now. $54,292.78. What it says we're also down $317.88 overall today. Well, without further ado, I'm going to show you that I have a plan. No matter what the S&P says, no matter how many people are rotating into treasury bonds and treasury yields right now, because that's what's happening in the market. In case you didn't know, this is like the third day in a row that the S&P has traded at an all-time low. Not only that, a lot of companies like Starbucks is in trouble. They went down today, like 0.45 or 5%, something like that. After their earnings came out, McDonald's with the bad news press with the E. coli connected to the burgers, they went down over 7% with McDonald's. So, yeah, we got a couple of indicators in the market here lately that stocks would be falling. But guess what? Are we going to be optimistic or pessimistic? I'm an optimistic type of guy. I like to look at the glass halfway full. That means it's dip season. That means it's time to buy. If you've been following my channel for a while, you should know that you make your money in the red and you collect your money in the green. What I mean by that is when things are on sale, they're in the red. Prices go low, they're on sale, they're in the red. That's how you make your money. When you want to collect your money, when they're in the green and they're trading at a more productive price than what you paid, then you can sell and get that profit. But if you're like me, you're into long-term wealth. You're trying to look for freedom. You're trying to get yourself off that rat race, that job. You're trying to open up opportunities for you to be independent of anyone paying you a paycheck. So I recommend buying and holding big boy blue chip stocks for the long term. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, without further ado, I'm going to go through some of these that's in my portfolio that's trading at an all-time low, but one day, real soon, will be trading at a premium again. First off is Microsoft. Microsoft right now is trading at $425.07. I got 3.69 shares of Microsoft, market value $1,572.36. My average price was $411.82. I'm up. Total return $48.99, 3.22%. Guys, I only got about almost 4 shares of Microsoft because I just find it expensive, to be honest. But at the same time, once I accomplish my goals with SPLG, I'll be able, in better position to be able to dollar cost average into more of the Magnificent Seven stocks. Next up on our list is Amazon. Amazon is trading at $185.74. Way below value. It's on sale right now. I got 3.5 shares of Amazon. Market value is $651.62. Average price is $159.25. Amazon is up a whopping 16.64% for a total return for me of $92.94. Guys, I'm definitely going to be buying more of Amazon because I still think at the price that it is today, that is at an all-time low. Like, it's at a low to be traded. And guess what? It's still, even at the high point of today, it's still low enough that I think it's a good discount. Next, we have Apple. Apple is trading at $230.88 right now. It's also on sale. I have 22 shares of Apple, market value of $5,095.19. Average cost was $175.77. This was back in January, February, March of this year, 2024, that this stock was that low, and I took full advantage. Today's return is a negative 109.90. But total return, I'm still up 31.35% in this stock of $1,216.09. Still up, baby. Still getting those gains. Still, in spite of the market being down, in spite of the what so many people call the financial recession, which it's not a recession, y'all. I just want to clarify that. But yeah, in spite of the market being down, I'm still up over 31% in that particular stock. Next up is going to be Alphabet Class A or Google. It's trading at 163.40. Also on sale. I have 12.7 shares of this Alphabet Class A. Class A simply means you got voters' rights. Class C means you don't have voters' rights. Market value of $2,075.34. My average cost was $144.30. Total return of $242.56. 13.23% increase right now. Even though the stock is low, even though it's at a buying power, it's at a dip season, guess what? I'm still in the profit on these stocks. The Magnificent Seven, y'all. Also, I want to go ahead and talk about another company that's going to also help us to achieve our goals of the financial independence and freedom. Walmart. Walmart is trading at $83.31. Walmart actually ended the day in the green. I have 105.68 shares of Walmart, and I will be looking to continue to buy more. But market value is $8,804.48. My average price is $56.35. Total return, guys, check this out. And this is a value. This is a value stock, not necessarily a growth stock. But look at my total return, $2,848.93, or a whopping 47.84%. Yay! Guys, at my rate, I've already did some calculation, and if I could throw, guys, if I could throw 100,000 in a position that'll get me on average 27% increase every single year for the next 10 years, guys, I will have my millionaire status. And right now, Walmart is getting me 47.84% increase over this past year. Yow! I'm enjoying that. Coca-Cola dividends popped out today. I appreciate Coca-Cola right now. Right now, Coca-Cola is $68.06. It's also on sale. I got 32.467 shares. Market value is $2,209.76. My average cost is $60.70. Total return is $238.82, or a 12.12% increase. So, like I said, even though the market might not necessarily be up right now, that doesn't mean individual stocks aren't. They're still up as well. Going over to the traditional IRA, $43,397.66 is what is in there. Buying power, I got $17,920.57 because I bought more of that SPLG. Over here in this particular stock, SPLG is even on sale. 46 shares, $3,139.18 is the market value. Average cost is $66.07, and it's a total return of $95.19, or 3.13% increase. And guys, I've recently started this position in this particular folder here with this ETF. So just bear with us. You'll see that number increase over time, the percentages and all that. Now, Nvidia. We got the 900-pound gorilla in the room. Nvidia closed the day at a lesser price than it opened the day. Nvidia is $141.49. I'm glad to see that we still are above that 140 threshold. I got 150 shares in this portfolio of it. Market value of $21,223.50. Average cost was 109.98, and I have a total return now of $4,720.16. In other words, I'm up 28.61%. Anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. So listen, this is, I don't want to bore you guys with a long, lengthy video. I just want to go ahead and let you know you can still achieve your financial goals even in a downward market. This is the third day, but nevertheless, always the more. With KJ, I got more positive, optimistic news to tell you. So without further ado, they are and there you go. There go the total of my portfolio so far. In a downward market, $97,662.28. I also got another 52, almost 53, $100 in a Fidelity savings account as well. Bring me well over 102, 103,000. So we have accomplished our $100,000 milestone. So I just want to throw that out there. But anyway, listen, y'all, the research has said, the data has said that these next 5 months are going to be like the best months that the stock market has ever seen. They're talking about November. They're talking about December. They're talking about January. They wasn't talking about February, but it's in line it's in line. They're talking about the month of April, and then they're talking about the month of May. That these months are absolutely the best months to be invested in the stock market. And they, like, over 60 something years of data and research have showed that these are the days that get the best results. Those months are the months to get the best results. So I don't know, man. I don't know about you. I do know about me. My strategy is long term. I'm not really into the options trading, trying to rev up and speed up this money thing. That's not what I'm into. If I'm going to speed up the money thing, which is what I do, is side hustles. And I do side hustles that I don't necessarily have to go outside to do. I can do some from the comfort of my home on my phone and make money. And that's exactly what I do. And I add it to the portfolio alongside of my 9 to 5 that I work, and put it into the portfolio every single week. So one day real soon, I'll be able to get to financial freedom, and you guys will have a firsthand look at somebody that you know and follow every day that has reached and achieved that milestone and that goal. And guess what? If I can do it, you can do it too. Well, until next time, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. If you got a comment, question, concern, put it down in the comment box below. I also would like to tell you guys to consider joining and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done it. And also share the video. Sharing is caring, and I would really appreciate that. Until next time, peace.